SmartMicroScope 5M Windows software install. In order to install the software on a Windows machine, you must have full administrative rights. You will also need that when you open the software the first time. So once it's installed, plug the scope in and open the software. You can install from the software CD that comes in the box, or you can download it from our website. Once you put the CD in your computer, you will see that it pops up like this. The easiest way to do this is to go to Browse. The Explorer window pops up, choose the App folder, and then double-click the install file. It looks exactly the same whether you're using the CD or you're using the download. So you simply click Next, 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 and you will go to the very end. It's a pretty quick process. We're going to not restart. I encourage you to restart after you install, but if you choose not to, I'll show you what happens when you don't. So after it's installed, you click Start and you go to your programs and you choose the folder. And it'll say, the first time you open the software, it will say filters are not well installed. So it will go through and it'll make some changes, close it out, and then it will open it up again. When it opens, it'll take you to the Settings menu where you can see your resolution, and I always change that to 640 by 480 the first time you open it. You see that it saves videos as AVI, and I always change to JPEG as well. So you'll see that it says graph failed to build. And when you get that error, it means that you must restart your computer. About half the time you can get by without doing that. After you restart, you come in and you can open the application. And if you'll watch the scope on the bottom left of your screen, you can see that as the software opens up, it's connecting to the scope and the scope will light up. And then you'll get the live image from the scope. You can go back to the Settings menu where, again, it's set at 640 by 480. It saves videos as AVI, and that's the location where you can find your videos and your still images. You can double-click the image, and it'll take it to full screen mode. This is called an icon mode, icon full screen, where you can still see your toolbar. If you want to do full screen, you can come down here in Settings, change it to full, and when you double click, it will take it complete full screen. After you've installed the software, it will prompt you, it will ask for a serial number. That's where you get that off of the CD envelope. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great time with your SmartMicroScope 5M.